In this video, we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Tilray, ticker TLRY. Now, this one was quite interesting because we did do analysis on this when it made the initial big move. We basically caught the top off this move, look for that short, and again, we had our targets which have basically all hit. We had this where we'd lock in some profits coming into that first deviation, but really looking to hold into the statistical means, which on the low end was 260, which we kind of just hit now. So again, that trade plan would have worked out great. Now, as this stock has been quite volatile, the levels have moved. So here we are to update these levels, give you some new levels on what we're looking at now going forward. So again, statistical mean, we're still at 260 to around $3. This is not an area I'm ever looking to touch a stock. When it's within this area, this is considered a fair value. Trading within this area, you're taking on a lot of risk, and really the edge is probably not on your side, which obviously you want as a trader. So never looking to trade a stock within this range for myself. So what I'm really waiting for is a breakout to either side and then looking to play against that direction. So if we push to the downside, 230 is that first trading opportunity. The first time we hit this, I'm looking to trade this level long. As we get that bounce, I'm looking to move my stop to break even and lock in some profits, but really looking to hold until we come back to statistical mean. Now, what I'm also then looking for is if it starts to break the other way again, let's say it's only done a small pullback, could we get out break even, worst case. But if it continues to fall back down, then we're looking to play the other direction. So what we want to see is a break below, come back to test it as a resistance. If that level can hold, I'm looking to play to that next deviation, which in this case would be $1.55. Going through there would be $1.18, going down to 80 cents. And a final level at 7 cents. So these are the key supports I'm paying attention to, but considering the overall market is quite weak, this individual stock is quite weak. What I would ideally look to play, and that's why I played this upside move here, was if we can push to these upper targets, the shorts are a lot lower risk because we're playing the overall direction. So what I'd then be looking for is a level at $3.80 and $4. These are quite close. I would be using them as a range. And then basically, yeah, as we come into here, I'm looking to hit into this short. When we come down to about 350, I'm looking to lock in some profits, move my stop to break even, but holding the bulk of the position to try and capture this downward move into statistical mean. Now, if we come back to retest this, or we just kind of instantly break through, what I'm really waiting for then is a break to play the other direction, which is waiting for a breakthrough, come back to test as a support, and if that level holds, looking to trade to that next deviation level, which would be 450. Again, as this is against the trend of the overall market and the individual stock, I would tend to reduce size. So I'd probably use about half or maybe 3/4 of what I would if I was taking it as a short position. So that trade to the 450, I would be taking smaller size. But once we come to 450, again, looking to flip direction. We're looking to play basically in the trend, looking to trade it short because we're coming to an overbought area. So looking to trade it short again, locking in some profits, moving our stops to break even, but looking to hold the bulk of it really back down to that statistical mean at $3. And again, that's why I much prefer trading the second, third, and fourth deviations, because there's a lot more kind of money on the table to be made, and you can get a much better risk to reward. That's why I rarely trade the first deviations, because you're just not getting great risk to rewards. If we break higher, though, I'm looking at 530, 540, and final levels going on to $6, 675, and a final resistance at 820. That is the breakdown though on Tilray. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did want to drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.